Everybody loves a super fast broadband connection. Luckily, getting up to speed is easy. Sign up through a Time dealer and pick your preferred installation date. You can track the progress of your application on our website so that you're informed every step of the way. Can't make our original appointment? Don't worry, because rescheduling is simple. Whatever the date, we'll remind you of it as it gets closer. And our installer will call you before coming over. Remember, you need an adult at home and 2 power sockets, one each for your optical network unit and Wi-Fi router. So here's what typically happens on the big day. Our installer gets permission from your building manager to carry out the installation works, grabs our fiber optic cable and pulls it into your home, and consults you on the best location to place your equipment. Be sure to let him know the spots where you go online most. Before the installation takes place, there are a few things you should know. It will involve the drilling of a tiny hole, just big enough for a fiber optic cable to enter your home. It will take up to 2 hours, and it is free of charge. If there are any non-standard requirements, your installation will take more time and it will cost. Be sure to discuss this with our installer before he gets to work. When he's done, Mr. Installer will perform a speed test to make sure everything is awesome. Once the all clear is given, just sign on the work completion form and he'll say his goodbyes. All that's left to do is sit back and enjoy the blazing fast speed of Time Fiber Home Broadband.